today I'll be unboxing the Nikon Z Lens 35mm 1.8S. This lens is a go-to lens for filmmakers, photographers. This lens is an all-round lens. So let's see what we have in our beautiful Nikon Z6II 35mm 1.8 box. Yeah, as you guys can see, basically what we have. This is for the lens bag, I guess. So what we have inside, okay, you bring this out. This is where the lens is. In here, this is a lens hood. So let's see what we have inside our lens. This is the lens. Yes, as you can see, guys, this is a beautiful 35mm 1.8S. As you guys can see, so amazing, well constructed. Whoa, I can't wait to put this to use, effective use. This is a lens hood, and the lens hood wrap around it beautifully. As you guys can see, I'm wrapping it around it beautifully. Okay, I'm waiting for that click sound. Oh, amazing. This is it. 35mm 1.8S. Amazing lens. Amazing. I can't wait to put this to use. Whoa. Hey. So beautiful. So beautiful. Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. If you like what you've seen, please subscribe to my channel. Like, share, comment below. Areas you feel I need to improve on, please do not hesitate to bring my notice to it. And the last but not the least, please turn off your notification button so whenever I post videos, you'll be among the first few to see it. So guys, basically this is it. Nikon Z Lens 35mm 1.8. So basically, guys, thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.